This video is for students and parents to show how students can authorize or approve their Google Drive account for use with Schoology. So the first thing that you'll have to do as a student is log into your Schoology account. Then from up at the top in this black bar that shows up at the top of your screen, you're going to click where it says Resources. Once you're redirected to the Resources page, you'll see along the left hand side there are four icons: search personal, group, and apps. You'll click on the apps button. Once you click on apps, you'll see that the Google Drive resource app should already be there. If not, you'll find it in the list if you click the install apps button. Now, since the Google Drive resource app is already there, and I am currently already signed into my Schoology student account, and I can see that up here in the top right hand corner. You'll see mine says Schoology Test 2 because this is just a sample student account that's been set up for me to show things and how they would be done from the student end of things. And our last step to make Google Drive accessible for use with Schoology is to just click the black Approve button and give Schoology and Google Drive permission to communicate with each other. So currently I don't have anything in this sample student Google Drive account, but if you have files, they will show up here. Now they will show up in the order that they've last been accessed. So if you need to find a file, the search toolbar up top works really well, and you could type in all or part of a title and it will give you back results of anything in your Google Drive that has those words as part of their description or title. All right, and that's how we authorize the Google Drive resource app for our Schoology accounts.